Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to reactivate your Thumbtack account. Now if you don't know how to reactivate your Thumbtack account but you want to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Thumbtack app on your device, and if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you just need to open the Thumbtack app, and this is the home page of Thumbtack, and at the very top right you will be able to see the profile icon. Now to reactivate your Thumbtack profile you need to try logging using the email address and the password. So if your account is inactive but not deleted, then you should be able to log back in. And the thing is that if your account has already been deleted, then you won't be able to reactivate it, but if you have only done the deactivation method, then you will be able to log into your Thumbtack account. So click on the option of sign up or login, and from here you need to enter the phone number which you have signed up with. Also choose the option of continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with Facebook. So remember what I have signed up with, and you need to select the option accordingly. So currently I have signed up with Apple, so I'll see if my account is on Thumbtack or not. So after that you need to click on the option of sign in. Now it verifies myself and it logs into my account. So as you can see, this is how you can reactivate your deactivated account on Thumbtack. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.